Hey friends, how's it going? Well, welcome to this video review. Guys, I'm Aline. Today I'm really excited because I want to talk to you about a perfect weight loss supplement that is called the Fast Lean Pro. Imagine being able to lose lots of weight, tricking your body into thinking you're fasting and you're actually losing weight in a healthy form. So sit back and relax because you don't have to go to the gym anymore. You don't have to do crazy diets, or you don't even have to starve yourselves and control what you eat just so you can lose weight. No more needing to do that, all right? Just listen up because I want to share with you everything regarding the Fast Lean Pro and how this is a natural supplement that can really help you to lose a lot of weight. All right, guys? So if you want to know everything possible, that's where I'll begin with. First of all, you have to understand that the Fast Lean Pro is only available for purchasing through their official website. That is the only place on the internet that people need to go to get it. And the manufacturer just wanted to sell it only over there to make sure it's original and safe, you know? So by getting it on the official website only, you'll be making a very safe and secure purchase and also receiving the original Fast Lean Pro, okay? Guys, so first of all, the first and main thing you have to understand about Fast Lean Pro is that this is a natural supplement. It is a natural supplement that is free from GMOs, free from toxins, free from free radicals. It has nothing like that. It has only natural ingredients. You have niacin, you have sucre, vitamin B12, chromium, you have fiber salt too. I mean, these are all natural ingredients that go into creating Fast Lean Pro, and each and every one of them does a special role. So this is a supplement that comes in a powdered form. It will basically help you with cellular renewal. It will increase your body's metabolism. It will help you fasting, you know, fasting is actually when your body can go for so long without eating, and it actually starts to use up all the the fats in your body as new energy source, but that's really hard to achieve. But with this, you're going to do that. So the Fast Lean Pro will help you to target all these stubborn fats around your body, and you're going to shrink until one day you have the body that you love, and you're going to be slim and toned down. And the best part is that you don't have to work out to do this, you know? This supplement will also support the health of your liver. It will help you do a full body rejuvenation. It will help you to burn calories much more faster. And guys, basically saying it will totally help you be safe, healthy, and your immune system will be better, and you're going to be so energized, full of disposition, full of vitality, reduced anxiety, reduced stress, and you're going to love the body you're in. So you're going to be totally healthy, guys. But you have to remember to use the Fast Lean Pro every single day. This is a supplement that needs to be taken seriously because it is natural. So it does take a few days for your body to adapt to it. But once your body is adapted to it, you're going to get results after results after results until you reach the end of your treatment. You're going to realize how far you've come and how much weight you have put off. So you're going to be totally healthy, totally slim. And the best part about the Fast Lean Pro is that the manufacturer offers you a 180-day money back guarantee. So for whatever reasons, should you need a refund, you can just request it on the official website. But hopefully you won't be needing that, because as we speak, thousands of people all over the world are experiencing perfect weight loss with the Fast Lean Pro. This is a formula that has no side effects, no contradictions. It's FDA approved in a GMP certified facility right here in the States. So you're getting the finest of qualities, the finest of ingredients, and all the correct standards. So guys, it's time to be healthy. It's time to be slimmer and no more being overweight, right? visit Fastlane Pro's official website and get to know a little bit more about it over there. Also, if you have any questions or any doubts, place them in the comments below so that I myself can help you guys out. For now, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Bye.